came to my attention that a lot of you guys don't know how to cook rice at all. Not the right way, not the wrong way. You guys are messing it all up. Well, I found a video showing us how to cook rice because I don't have the time to cook the rice right now. And tonight I'll probably show you how to cook salmon and rice. First, you're going to need this pot, right? And you want to have that pot, you want the pot to be the correct size for the amount of rice you will be cooking, right? She's using a measuring cup. I would never, ever use a measuring cup to cook rice. But if you use a measuring cup, you just want to double the water with the amount of rice you do in there. But I like to eyeball it out, right? I see that she hasn't washed this rice yet. I don't know how you make rice and you don't wash it. Oh, never mind. She is now washing the rice. You want to wash that rice because you want to end up getting all the dirt and pesticides and all that out of there. See her washing it? Yeah, you rinse that rice off real good, right? For one, it absorbs water into the rice before you even start cooking. For two, you see that cloudy water coming out of there? Sometimes there's bugs in the rice. Sometimes when you're dealing with natural ingredients, sometimes you gotta wash the nature off a little bit before you start to cook it. Now you got your rice nice and wet or whatever. She's gonna probably put in 4 cups of water. That's not what I recommend. I recommend you just get the water about a ½ inch to an inch above the rice you're about to cook, right? You go straight to the spigot and have that joint pouring out. You want to put your flame on high. Throw that rice pot right on the flame, right? Bring it up to a boil, and then you want to stir it one time. You want to stir it one time. She put it on low heat. I usually stir it before I put it on low heat, but you still want to stir that joint one good time. Hit it with the stir, baby girl. Hit it with the stir. Come on. Come on. Come on. You ain't going to stir it? She's putting the lid on there. She forgot to stir it, so she's probably going to have some rice sticking to the bottom of the pot. And then you want to put the lid on there while you have it on the low heat, because if you don't have the lid on there, all that moisture is going to escape the pot, and it's not going to allow the rice to cook in the right professional way, the way you want to see your rice coming out. So now the rice is practically done. I wonder if she's going to hit it with a stir yet or not. Is she going to stir it or not? Probably not. She let some of the water evaporate, so that's why she waited to put the lid on there. Okay. Still no stirring though. You want to stir that joint like 2 to 3 times in the cooking process. But let it steam up, right? Pull it out. And now she's going to stir it. And this is when you're going to want to add any type of ingredients you're going to want in your rice. Because that rice actually looks beautiful. Maybe you don't need to stir it. No, you see it sticking to the side of the pot? See it sticking? That's why you want to stir the rice before you boil it, right? You get it boiling, you stir it, you cover it, you uncover it a couple times, stir it again. Because without that, look at how it's sticking to the pot. It is sticking. It is sticking all over the place. Hopefully she can fix that, remedy that, pull it out. But now you guys have rice, and you can do so much with rice. You can mix that rice with chicken. You can mix the rice with eggs. If you let it dry off for a day, you can go and use that rice to make sushi. You can use that rice to make fried rice. You can end up making so many dishes across so many cultures. That's why there's a reason everybody in the world eats rice. And seeing that people didn't know how to cook rice, man, the most popular rice everybody was looking up, learning how to cook was white rice. And so after I cook my rice tonight, which I might actually do off camera, I'm gonna show you guys my recipe tomorrow. I was going to air fry the salmon, but it seems like more people want to learn how to cook the salmon on the stove. And then I cook that salmon to it. After I cook that salmon on the stove, I'm gonna chop it up and real good, real fine. And I'm gonna mix it in the rice and make some of my honey fried rice. I'm telling you, you haven't lived life if you ain't ate honey fried rice. But if you want to make honey fried rice now that you have this product, you want to put that in the fridge for about no less than 8 hours. You pull it out the fridge. You're going to get some butter in a pan, low heat. Let that butter melt down. Extra points for getting real butter. Then add the rice to the pan. Don't put too much in there because you're going to be able to need to move it around, isolate it. I might, if I can find a tripod in the next 24 hours, I might actually show you guys how to saute cook it a little bit. You know, you see the chef doing the flip in the pan, but I got a real small frying pan. But either way, yeah, there's so much you can do with rice. And in fact, you guys need to learn how to cook rice. I'm sorry, somebody let you guys down. But you know who won't let you down? Chef Culver. This was another video with Chef Culver. You're cooking with Culver, and I'm going to teach you how to do the stuff your mama should have. Peace.